What's going on, guys? 2006 GMC SIERRA. I have a funny job here. The customer bring this car is really frustrated. You know what going on here? He broke all the plastic cover here. He cannot take it out, the motor, the blower motor. He cannot take it out. This one, guys, don't get frustrated. This one is really easy to remove. It's getting hard because that clip. So there's a trickster so you can remove it, that thing. So just press this down, press it down. I'm not gonna cut this video so you can see it. Just press it down, then turn it. That's it. Don't be frustrated. If you don't know how to do it, just watch YouTube video. There's a lot of video like this. So just press it down, then turn it. See? So I turned the wrong way. See? Very easy. 0.6 hours only to do this job. Then to put it back, have it like that. Get the right angle of your blower motor, then turn it. Now I cannot turn it. See? Then turn it. Very easy. Then put all the connector in. That's it, guys. Don't be frustrated. Look what he did here. He broke the plastic here to take it out. Over here. Come on. Watch video. If you don't know how to do it, watch YouTube. Watch my YouTube. Why I need to promote my channel. Thank you guys for watching.